Hi, my baby dolls. So good news, I'm back at home. Thank God. I'm here to do another taste test for y'all, part 2. As I promised, how y'all doing this evening? Hope this quarantine is not getting everybody down. Ugh, I am like, whoo, trying to get with it. So today I have two chips. That's my thumbnail. So I'm ready, y'all. So tonight it is 9:51 where I am, Midwest, St. Louis. Tonight I will be tasting Singwa prawn salad. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. And the other one is Thai Tasted, and it's Ming Kim crab broth flavor, and it has pictures of limes, shrimp, jalapenos, red and green jalapenos to be exact, and some cut up stuff that looks like potatoes or cut up tofu, something like that. But this is how that looks. I can't wait to get a better camera, y'all. So I'm just, bear with me. I'm just working with what I got right now. So yeah, that's that. You can see it. So yeah, I'm at the hospital. I had a kidney infection, the flu, but I'm feeling 100% better. Thank God. And I have the wild cherry Pepsi and ice on deck in my hospital cup. So yes, let's get this started. It's not gonna be a long video. I'm getting ready to get in the bed and whatever. But thank you all for joining me. So first I'm gonna taste the Sangua prawn salad. Okay. Those other chips, my BFF and her children came over and tore them up, and they liked them. I was like, yeah, nasty. Oh, these are good. Mmm. The Sangua prawn salad is really good. Tastes like beef ramen noodles. Beef ramen noodles or shrimp ramen noodles with a little kick to it. They really good. I like these. Have to order some more of these in bulk. They're good. But thank you all so much for your support. Hopefully soon I get better camera, better lighting. Take me a swig of my soda. Ooh, it's kind of flat. Ooh, so yeah, all I know is when this quarantine over, I will not be the first one outside, because everybody gonna run outside. I already know them streets gonna be flooded. Gonna catch your girl out there. The next is the Thai tasty with the shrimp, lime, red and green jalapenos, and the cut up potatoes, I think those are. So now I'm gonna taste these. These are good too. They taste like jalapeno crunchers with an extra pop or something. They really good. And you can taste a hint of lime in it. Yeah, these are good too. These are good. These are awesome. So, if I would have to rate these, both of these from 1 to 5, I would give these a 5. They're really good. I love them. These are 5. The Thai Tasty get a 5. Hands down. And the Sangua prime salad, get a 5 as well. I like those too. I like these too. Very shrimp, ramen noodle flavor, or beef ramen noodle flavor with a little kick to it. These get a 5 too. So out of all 6 chips, well, really 5 because the other 2 was plain. Was just plain flavor. But out of the 5, these are a 5. And the other 3 I rated in the last video. So if you didn't see that, go ahead and check that out. But don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You all have a lovely, blessed evening. Love you all. This video is kind of short. I'm a little sleepy. I'm getting into bed. So, yes, in my next video, I'm going to be doing some more taste tests. And I'm also going to be doing the Satan's Toe Challenge, which is supposed to be like one of the hottest lollipops. Oh my God. I'm so scared, y'all. Oh my goodness. I hope y'all tune in and catch that video. Coming up, your girl will try to have some better lighting, a better camera. I'm just getting started, so just bear with me. Love you all. Have a blessed night. I'm headed back over to Rhonda's Red Sauce Live. So, be good to yourself. Love you. That's Rhonda's Live. Be good to yourself. God bless. Have a good night. And love you all. Mwah. Bye. And don't forget to stay safe, stay clean, and keep those hands washed. Mwah. Bye.